All right, folks, what we have here is a 2023 Honda Accord. We are going to change the cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is found behind the glove box, so we have to go through there. We're going to replace it with the AutoZone STP brand CAF 1873P. All right, and if you notice, the filter says airflow and there's an arrow. That comes into play once we take the filter out. I'll show you. All right, now to get to it, I'm going to open up the glove box. And in the glove box, there's a little tiny shock over there. Okay, has a little grates there you can see. All right, that just snaps down to release, snaps up to lock in. So we're just going to push down. You can put your thumb in there. That's what it's there for. And this will come out. You see, it's like a little half U-clip. So when you install it later, you're just going to push it up and lock it in. Okay, there's a little barrel in there. Now, the glove boxes, they have right there, there's one there and one on that side. That's what holds the glove box from opening all the way up on you. Okay, see, it hits it just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take your thumbs and push it in a little bit on both sides like that, and squeeze it, and the door will come right out. All right, let me do that for you so I can show you. All right, just push them off to the side, and then the door comes right out. These little hinges go in those little holes there. And right in there, that is where the filter is. Right, there's two little tangs. There's one there and one over there. Just got to squeeze them in like that. Squeeze this one in like that. And this door is going to come right out in your hand. So I got to do this with my left hand. Okay. Once that comes out, you will see the filter. This looks like the original filter since it says Honda, unless it was changed once before. But by the looks of it, it don't look like it's been changed. So you just go in there and just reach in for it. Nice and easy. Pull it slow because there's going to be a lot of dirt. See where it says airflow with the arrow? The airflow is this way, so that's why the top is going to be dirty. Normally some cars, they're the other way around. But anyway, just remember the airflow goes down. Airflow goes down. I'm going to slide it out. You can see some dirt on it already. Leaves. Yep. There she is. All right, yeah. It's pretty dirty. Got about 27,000 miles on it. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. Look in there, make sure it's nice and clean. Take your new replacement filter. Okay. And we're going to put it back the same way. Let's compare it to the old one. Check this out. Pretty neat, huh? Big difference. So, let's see. Can't go this way. Let's put it this way, the same way. All right. So I'm going to put it in exactly the way it came out. Airflow is down. I want to make sure that the airflow is down. Okay, so do it again. Airflow is down. The arrows are down. Arrows down. All right, so it's going to go back the same way that it came back out. Let's see, go stick this in there. There you go, nice and easy. This will go in, right? If you forget, airflow down. They even mark it on this thing. That's pretty cool. All right, so I'm just gonna squeeze that in there. I'm gonna snap it in there. Much easier with two hands. Let's do that. All right. There you go. Finagle it in a little bit. We're just going to snap it in. Whatever you do, don't drop that door in here. Drop that door in there. That's a pain in the butt to get out. It gets sandwiched in between here. Yeah. Ask me how I know. All right. The rest of it is just the door. Going to match up the hinges to the slats. Should be easy. One there. One there. You can push it in so it locks. Okay. And then the only thing we have to do is this little shock over here. All right, I'm going to pull it down. Put it into that little slot where it belongs. And we're going to snap it in. And then that's it. Oh. There you go. All right. That's it. Put the customer's contents back in the glove box and you're good to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Cabinet filter. STP.